Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jonard Vasquez and we're here at Keystone Dance Company Studio in Ajax, Ontario. Today we're going to be teaching you guys a little something on my homegirl Abi and Catherine. Yeah, they're going to help us out today. So, it's going to be to a song called Learn How to Watch by Carnage featuring Mac Miller. And we're going to do it on the first and only verse. Yeah, so let's dive right into it. So on end one, we're going to step with our left foot this way and hopping with our right. Moving your arms towards this way, hugging, 2 and 3. That's an up lock. We're going to hold that for 3, 4, and then we're going to bring it down slowly, however you feel. 5 on and 6. We're going to step with your left and popping your right elbow, and again, sticking your right knee. And 6. Switching on the left side. Let's go through that movement again, guys. So it's gonna go and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. On 7, we're gonna do a one of these like smackety smackety do. We're gonna smack, jump, and hop. Yeah? Let's try that one more time. 5 and 6, smack and hop. Good. Let's take it again from the very beginning. So it's going to go and hug, and 2 and 3, down to 5 and 6, smack and hop. Let's take it again from the very beginning. So it's going to go and hug, and 2 and 3, down to 5 and 6, smack and hop. So from here, guys, we're going to step with our right leg. It's going to be a pseudo heel toe. It's going to be like jerkish. So it's going to go and 1. So I want you guys to and 1 and good. And your arms is going to be however you feel. So it's going to go and 1 and 2. Cool? We're going to repeat that 2 more times, your right and your left. Quick and a quick. Good. And 1. Ha, and a right and a left. From here, we're going to smack this way, leaning forward and back. Good? So again, we did right leg, a left leg, a right, a left, a straight, square. Yeah. Should we try the music? Yeah. Go ahead and try the music. From here, we're going to take our left leg, stepping forward. We're going to cross over with our right leg and step forward. Roll, roll. The beat for that is the bass, 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 boom, boom. Yeah? So we're going to go bass, 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 boom, boom. Take your arm, swing, snare. Good. So from here, guys, you're going to hear, I'm a beast, I'm a dog, I'm a canine, right? So we're going to hit some dime stops. So I'm a beast, I'm a dog, I'm a king. So I'm a beast, I'm a dog, I'm a king. So you're going to pretend you're holding a dog and that dog wants to attack, right? So the next part for that, I'm a beast, I'm a dog, I'm a canine. You're going to hear a boom, 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 yeah. On the first boom, you're going to hit forward, hit front, and yeah. You're going to slide back and just say, yeah, cool, 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 cool. All right, let's take that from the very, very beginning real slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Right leg, a left leg, a right, left, whoop, square right, left, right, and boom, pop, pop, bass, snare. I'm a beast, I'm a dog, I'm a canine, whoop, 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 y'all. Yeah, well done. How'd that feel? Good, good, good. Let's try it a little bit faster. 5, a 6, a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and a right, and a left, and a right, left, whoop, square up, boom, 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 bop, da, da, boom. I'm a beast of the dog, hey, whoop, 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 please. Hey, well done. Yeah. Yeah. Should we try music? Yeah. Go ahead and try music. So again, guys, while going through the textures of the movements, there's a lot of basses and a lot of snares, so just hit it like for when I have a dog, you know, pretend you have a dog and it's trying to attack someone, but nope, we got something else. Hey. And also the soft points on N1, this part right here, attack this up block, and then do your own thing, and then the next bass, make sure it's a nice hard hitting. Yeah. All right. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, hit us up in the comments. And don't forget to like us on Instagram and at Keystone Dance Company.
Learn to watch, yeah. Learn to watch, yeah. Learn to watch, hey. Learn to watch, yeah. What it look like? Little too much sauce, get it cooked right. On the same up, in the same up, make a motherfucker pain like Suge Knight. Yeah. Better make time, and it really ain't shit if it ain't mine. I'm a beast, I'm a dog, I'm a canine. See the way I make it go down like a baseline. Yeah. Back when I was just a young and didn't have me nothing, always up to something, started getting money.
And if you have any questions, again, like, comment, do your thing. Cut. Review.